This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will learn about the views in PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint has three main views. Number one is normal view. Number two is slide sorter view. And number three is slide show view. These three views are present on the status bar in the right side. So I will show you. This is the first view. This is the second one. This is called slide sorter view. The first one is the normal view. The second one is the slide sorter view. And the third one is the reading pen. So we will learn about the first view, which is called the normal view. This one. Normal view is the main editing view. You can add text, graphics, charts, etc. in this view. It has three main working areas. Number one is the outline tab. On the left side of the screen, you will see two options. One is slides and the other one is outline. In slides pane, all the slides appear in thumbnails. So we have a presentation, this one, and it has two thumbnails. The first one is this one and the second one is this. In the outline tab, it shows the outline of your slide text that are displayed as thumbnails. You can simply edit the text in the outline tab when you place the cursor at the particular text. Like here, if I want to erase the word Yonis, then we can just simply delete it from this section. So it's not necessary to select the text from here. You can just do the editing from the outline section. And when you place your cursor at the particular text, then this slide appear in the right side. Like if we select the first one, so here you can see that we don't have anything to edit in the first slide because there's not much to edit. But if we select the second slide, then there are two paragraphs available. And if you want to erase the word PowerPoint right from here, then we can select from the outline tab and can select the word which we want to erase and press and select and delete that word. So this is how it is done. The second option in the normal view slide pane, the slides pane, all the slides appear as thumbnail in this view. Like if I click over here and go to the view tab, and you can see that we have selected the normal view, and you can see the number one slide and the second slide. So this pane, this area is called the slides pane. And the third one is the notes pane. Notes pane is present at the bottom of the Microsoft PowerPoint screen. This area provides you the space to write speaker's notes. A speaker note is the information about the particular slide in the presentation. These notes can be helpful to the user while presenting. You may also create notes for your audience and distribute them in printed form. For example, in the given slide, you may write here we would like to enter note something about this. We would like to type PowerPoint template. That's what we wanted to enter over here, and this is known as speaker note. It is helpful for the audience and it's an information about the presentation. So these notes can be helpful to the user while presenting. You may also create notes for your audience and distribute them in the printed form. To view the presentation in normal view, click the normal view icon present on the status bar. So this is here, you can see this is the status bar. This here is called the status bar, and here you can find three different views. Like this one is the normal view, the first one, and the second one is the slide sorter view, and the third one is reading view. From here you can also select the same thing. Like if you want to see your presentation in normal view, this option is selected, already selected. View the presentation in normal view, and when you click on this option, it will help you to view the presentation, slide sorter view to easily rearrange slides, and this is the reading view. This is the first pages. Here we have added PowerPoint template, and this is the reading view. It is used to view the presentation as a slide show that fits within the window. So here you can see that the presentation fits the window. So multiple three different views are available to present your presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. So that's all, and thanks for watching.